Breaking news. Paul Tungwarara humiliated. ZANU-PF CHAMISA nullifies his co-option into Central Committee. Zarabida mashoko kweleta yasikuleta panguva ino jona kunzi panguva ino the commissariat nullify the Central Committee co-option ya Tungwarara. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na mnamubna kwa mchinzi. ZANU-PF headquarters 11 December 2025. Comrade T. Mukodza, Provincial Chairman, Manicaland Province. Office of the National Political Commissar. Nullification of Central Committee Co-option, the Commissariat. The Commissariat Department has established that that Manicaland Provincial Coordinating Committee PCC convened a meeting on Sunday 7 December 2025, during which Comrade Dr. Paul T. Tungwarara was co-opted as a Central Committee member, filling the vacant post left by Comrade Dorothy Mabika. In this regard, you are advised that the said co-option has been nullified with immediate effect, as the process contravened the Legal Affairs Department Circular dated 30 June 2025, which set out mandatory guidelines and procedures for co-opting members into the Central Committee. Among key provisions, the circular stipulates that any replacement must be drawn from the same administrative district as the outgoing member. In this case, the appropriate candidate for the vacancy must originate from Chipinge Administrative District. This is to uphold the party's established principle of representation and ensures equitable distribution of seats across all administrative districts. Furthermore, you are requested to ensure that until this matter is resolved and Chipinge District has made a decision, any activities that involve assurance of money, goods or service by aspiring candidates will be deemed as vote buying, and as such will lead to automatic disqualification. In view of the above, Manicaland Province is advised to conduct another co-option process following the correct guidelines and procedures. Tomash kanabdanyo kopangwa ine achibloka Tungwarara seek co-option. Pita comment section medu za fungu aimo tulipa msepechi tukoichi. So subscribe or like, drop the bell icon.